Hello everybody, welcome to another edition of Beer of the Week. I am Garrett from Rolling Hops, and this week we have our first ever non-alcoholic beer. We are drinking the Partake Red. We have normally done alcoholic beverages, mainly beers, on our Beer of the Week series, but this week we're switching it up because there is something to be said about non-alcoholic beer. Now, some might say that beer is meant to have alcohol in it. And you know what? The original beer that was made, yes, it was full of alcohol. However, there are a number of changes happening in the beer industry today and in the alcohol consumers, for that matter, that have really bolstered the influence of non-alcoholic beer in this day and age. And for a number of good reasons. Maybe you're pregnant and you're not able to consume alcohol. Maybe you have a medical condition and then you can't consume alcohol either. Or maybe you're just not a big fan of alcohol, but you want to get out in that social setting and have a drink with your friends. So there's a number of different reasons, and with Rolling Hops, we've seen a number of different trends, and one of those being that is sort of away from that heavy binging of alcohol and more towards the qualitative enjoyment of a beverage. And that's sort of also where non-alcoholic beers will come into play. So if you've never tried a non-alcoholic beer, get out there, give it a shot. You might enjoy it. The Partake series in particular has a number of different varieties. We're drinking the red today. There's also a number of different non-alcoholic beers across Canada that you can give a shot. If you want to check out more on non-alcoholic beer, you can check out rollinghopsbeertours.com. There's a whole blog post about non-alcoholic beers. It's something to check out, something to look at. We'll try a little bit of this one. That is good. Tasty, smooth, crisp, and clean. You can't go wrong. Until next week, this is Rolling Hops. This is Beer of the Week. Craft beer is here. Cheers, everybody.